Hi, let's see how to resubmit the US tax form in the right way so that it immediately gets approved. Now I just submitted the form today and immediately it has got approved. You can also do the same thing. It would take about 4 to 5 minutes. Again, there are some small steps which we have to do it in the right way. So let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. To start with resubmitting the tax info from YouTube Studio, just click on resubmit tax info. Once you do this, you will see a page like this. You just have to scroll down and click on sign into your AdSense account. Okay, just click on sign in. Now once you do this, you'll be logged into your AdSense account. Then just go to payments, click on payment info. Now under payment info, select AdSense India. Once you select AdSense India, you will see this information which says here add tax info. Okay, so you just have to click on this. I'm going to click on add tax info. So we are not concerned about Singapore here. We are looking for the US tax details. So I'm going to just click on show tax details and documents. Just click on this thing here, show tax details and documentations. Okay, this is going to show the details for US tax. I'm just going to click on show tax details and you see something like this where it says we had last submitted in March 2021. Now all we need to do is just click on submit new form. Okay, so again please make a note of the address that you had given in the last time. So if this is still valid, please give the same address itself. Okay, so I'm going to just click on submit new form. Then click on start new form. So again, before you start, so just click on start form. Once you do this, so just continue. I'm just going to re-enter my password. So re-authentication has been done. Now here US tax info. So is this for individual or non-individual? So this is for individual. Okay. Now if it is for business or something, you can select the second option. I'm going to click on next. Next, are you a citizen or resident of US states? Now if you are a resident of US, then you can select yes. If not, select no. I'm going to click on next. So select W8 tax form type. So select W8 BEN. Now this is the form that we'll be submitting for non-US individuals. Now if you're somebody who is a business and if you're also filing US tax return, in that case, select the second one. Okay, so the most common one for the creators in India is this one. Okay, so you can select this. So now next, tax identity. Again, my name is reflected here. Okay, so doing business as a name or entity. So again, this is optional. You don't have to fill this. Country, I'm going to select as India. So depending upon which country you are from, you can select that country. I'm specifically showing for India. Now taxpayer identification number, right? So here you need to enter your PAN card number. Okay, so let me enter my PAN card number. So I have just entered my PAN card number here. Please double check this. Okay, then click on next. Now enter the same address that you have entered in your AdSense account. Okay, make sure to double check the address, and mailing address is same as permanent residence address. You can just select this if mailing address is same as a permanent address. Okay, so you can select and then click on next. So now, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Select as yes. Now again you select the country here. I'm going to select India. Okay, so select this. Residents of the following country within the meaning of income tax treaty between the United States and that country. Okay, now again special rates and conditions. So select this one, other copyright royalties. In this you need to select the article as 12 and para 2a, withholding rate as 15%. So again you can just select this. Now services or other business income. Here you select as article 7 and para 1, withholding rate as 0. Select this. Okay. Then come to motion picture and TV royalties, and here select as again article 12 and select as 15% reduced tax. Once this is done, select this, just click on next. So again, has Sriram Benur performed any activities and services for Google within US, or do they expect to do in future? Select as no. I certify, then click on next. Okay. Now again, go paperless recommended, so I'll accept that. Then click on next. Again, I'll confirm. Then click on next. So tax form certification, yes, you can select this. It's a declaration. Unchanged status affidavit. This tax form may be applied to prior payments by providing the following conditions. Okay, so you can select this. So here you can just give as 2024, and here you can just mention the current date. So I'll give as okay, just mention the date here, and then your signature. Accept these things. Yes, I am the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section, your section, so it is going to be your name. Then just click on submit. Now it says your tax info has been accepted, status is approved, and date of submission is September 19, 2024. So that's how simple it is. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. So what happens if we don't submit the US tax form? Creators with expired US tax form may be subjected to a default tax of 24% of total earnings worldwide. So we don't want to go through that process. So again, it's simple. You can just follow the same steps and submit your tax form as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Sriram Benur. If you're not already subscribed, then please do subscribe. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then just click on this link to watch more videos on how to scale up. Thank you. See you in the next video.